Good morning, class. So yesterday we have started about the adjustment of capital. So everything I have explained you yesterday. So today I am going to move on the question, that is illustration 68. So look at the question here. A firm has two partners, that is B and C, sharing a profit in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted A into the firm on January 1st, 2014. Their balance sheet is also given over here. Now come to the terms of admission. Point 1. A, the new partner is bring 20,000 as a capital and 1/3 share of the profit and 3,500 as a share of goodwill. Now come to 2. Valuation of machine and stock are to be reduced by 7,000 and 1,000 respectively, and the valuation of furniture will be increased by 3,000. So this is the adjustment on asset sides. That's mean machinery and stock is reduced by 7,000 and 1,000. That's mean we have to subtract, and the furniture is increased by 3,000. Afterward, look at the point 3. Capital of the partners shall be proportionate to their profit sharing ratio, taking A's capital as the base. Excess capital is to be withdrawn in cash by the partners concerned, and the shall deficiency is to be made up by the bringing in cash. Now what we have to do, you have to first prepare the valuation account, partners account, after that balance sheet of the firm. So draw the format for revaluation account. So here is the format for revaluation account. So in two side, that is debit side, machinery is depreciated by 7,000. So to machinery account 7,000, and stock is also depreciated, that is account that is 1,000. Okay. Now entry for the furniture, which is increased by 3,000. Okay, so here is 8,000. That means partners loss by partners capital account. This adjusted amount, that is 5,000, they will share or distribute in the ratio of 3:2. That is 3 by 5 into 5,000. This is for B. So how much you will get? You get 3,000. Similarly for C, that is 2,000. Okay, so here is 5,000. So this is how you will calculate a revaluation account. Now calculation, that is working note. Point 1. A, partner A entered in a business with a profit sharing ratio, that is 1/3. Okay, now therefore that is 1 minus 1/3 is equals to 2/3 will be shared of B, means the share of B and C in the ratio of, what is their ratio, that is 3:2. Afterwards we are finding a new ratio after admitting A with a profit sharing 1/3. That's mean their B's share, that is old share, is 3/5, and 2/3 is the new ratio. That's mean his ratio is 6/15. Now C shares, their old ratio is 2/5 and new ratio is 2/3. That's mean B's capital is 4/15 and A's capital, the new partners share is 1/3, okay, or we can say 5/15, means their new ratio, that is 6:4:5. Okay, now the point 2, here we have to find the total capital of the firm, that is total capital of the firm. So here 20,000 is the capital which bring A when entering in a new business. Here 3/1, that is the reciprocal of A, that is 1/3 is the reciprocal of 3/1. So the total capital of the firm is 60,000. Okay, now number 3 is calculation of proportionate capital. So B's capital is 60,000, that is the total capital which we find, and his ratio is 6/15. So you will get 24,000, and C's capital, that is 60,000 into his new capital is 4/15. That's mean here 16,000. Okay, so this is we done with the calculation. Now draw the partners capital account format. Now come to partners account. Here by balance BD, that is the opening capital of B and C. The B's capital is 30,000 and A's capital is 10,000. Okay, afterwards profit and loss by PL, which is given in the balance sheet. So we have to divide in the ratio, that is 3:2. That's mean B will get 4,500 and C will get 3,000. Afterwards by premium, so the premium is 3,500. Again we have to distribute in this ratio, that is 3:2. So B will get 2,000 and A will get 1,400. Afterwards by cash account, the cash bring by new partner, that is 20,000. Okay, come to this side to revaluation account. After revaluating, B will get 3,000 and here 2,000. Afterwards to balance CD, that is the look at the calculation that we have done, that is 24,000 and 16,000. Now what we have to do, we have to balance, and here 20,000. Okay, so here we will get 20,000 and here we will get 20,000. No doubt till now. Now here 18,000. So if you balance here, so by cash account, because in the question mentioned over there, the excess amount they will distribute by B and C. So the excess amount they will distribute. So here 18,000. So if you subtract this, you will get here 3,600. Okay, and now add this one. Here you will get 3,600. So here to cash account in B's, that is 9,600 to balance this one. Okay, now draw the format for balance sheet. Now look at the asset size first, that is machinery. Previous value is 18,000, now depreciated by 7,000. Now the present value is 11,000. Furniture is, that is 18,000 plus 3,000. Here 21,000. Afterwards investment, there is no changes. That's mean the investment is 9,000. Afterwards stock. Previous stock is 6,000. Now depreciated by 1,000, that is 5,000. Afterwards debtor 4,000. And lastly cash, that is 19,500. Now 69500. Okay, now come to the capital side, that is liability BCA. B's capital is 24,000, that is balance CD, and 16,000, and he will bring 20,000, that is 60,000 as a total. Afterwards creditor, his creditor is 7,000, and bill payable, that is 2,500. That means 69,500. So this is all for today. Follow the homework slide.